Alright, you guys, I'm back with a healthy and delicious snack this time. This one is perfect for the ones who do not like veggies. If you're like me, specifically, I didn't like squash. But this recipe turned out so good, I'm glad I recorded the steps. I almost didn't, which is why you can't see me coat each half with olive oil. But this step is essential, so don't forget. You want to sprinkle any spices of your liking, but I use garlic powder, onion powder, granulated sugar, Himalayan salt, black pepper, and chia seeds. Measurements could be eyeballed, or to be specific, I used 3/4 of a teaspoon of oil, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and 3/8 of a teaspoon of sugar. After this, place the halves on a baking tray, skin side down, and bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, maybe 20 to 25 minutes because mine came out a little burnt. But if you're like me, I don't mind because it came out a little crunchy. So I love the crunchiness in my food, which was perfect. Top it off with some dried basil and you're good to go.
Smash mouth? No?
Maybe a little burnt.
It's got a lot of words. The point
But it
is,
looks
none
good.
of you kids have a gimmick. It's okay. I got a few. Get me a caterpillar for trust me.
Verga. Verga. Shit was hot.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay, here we go.
It's so gross.
Wait.
What the?
This is good.
Let me show you something.
Eli, where's your safety suit?
Try doing this.
You'll never know this is squash. What the heck?
2, 1, hands up down. Except Jacob, who will now be getting 2
This stuff
more
is good,
minutes
guys.
due to her permanent jet lag. Here I am. Be assigned. I'll take Leo again. What is the deal? Leo again? Wait, I'm like, wait, what?
Just like Emma Lawrence, you all
It's that good, trust me.
out of the snottiness.
Look, people don't realize the pressure someone like me is under. My family is so amazing, so I have a lot more to love.
Yes.
I can get into the best middle schools and have the best party, and yeah, only the best people around me.
No, you don't.
You don't get what being awesome's like.
But you're not.
I'm what?
Brace yourself. Not that great. I know you guys are proud, but
Looks pretty, huh?